Alright, I will also do a problem that has a remainder. So I'm just going to make up something. I'll do 49 divided by 5.
Raven.
Okay, so I have 49 divided by 5. So I'll go ahead and draw my box. I have 4 in this box, 9 in this box, 5 on the outside. Then I did 4 divided by 5. If I look at 4, I see it's smaller than 5. So nothing times 5 will give me 4 because 5 is bigger than 4. So that means 4 divided by 5 is 0. So 0 goes up here. Then I multiply. 0 times 5 gives me 5. I'm sorry, gives me 0. Then I subtract. 4 minus 0 gives me 4. Then I bring my 4 over. Because my steps again are D, M, dirty monkeys smell bad. So 49 divided by 5. So I ask myself, how many groups of 5 can I get out of 49? So 5 times what gives me 49? I know 5 times 5, so I can start there, is 25. So I can keep going, and I can think about it. If I know 5 times 8 is 40, so I actually could have started there. And then 5 times 9 is 45. And then 5 times 10, of course, is 50. So that's too much. So I know I can't do 10. So I can only get 9 groups of 5 out of 49. So 9 goes up here. Then I'm at my next step, multiply. 9 times 5 is, I already did it right here. So 9 times 5 is 45. 45. Then I'm at this step, subtract. 49 minus 45 is 4. So my answer is 9 with a remainder of 4. So whatever you have up here is your answer. And of course I don't have to write my 0 because my 0 is worth nothing. So I don't have to put the 0 here. I just put the 9, and I put this right here is my remainder. So this is 4. And if, like I said, if I have 0 here like the other one, you don't have to put anything right here for your remainder because you don't have a remainder. So my answer is 9 with a remainder of 4. And I will also do a 3-digit one real quick. Okay. 3, 6, 2 divided by 8 equals. So I'll need 3 boxes this time because I have 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So 3, 6, 2. And y'all are coming back in now. So I have 8 on the outside. Then 3 divided by 8. I can't do that because I don't have enough. 3 is not enough to take 8 away from, so I can get 0 again. 0 times 8 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Yeah. Bring my 3 over. I'm making a video. Then I can get, I do 36 divided by 8. I can get 4 groups of 8 out of 36. So then I multiply 4 times 8 is 32. Then I subtract, and I get 36 minus 32 is 4. That's yours. Take it home. Then I bring my 4 over. Then 42 divided by 8, I can get 5 groups of 8 out of 42. And then that's multiply, that will give me 40. 42 minus 40 will give me 2. So I have a remainder this time. So my answer is 45 with a remainder of 2. So that is it. I hope this video helps you